I'm Celine and today I'm going to show you a fantastic product. It is called Koltukan Aeroduct DeLong by Marvin Trading and they won the Umutanashi Selection Award. So, what is Umutanashi Selection? It is an award that is given to outstanding products and services from all over Japan and chosen by the foreign residents living in Japan. Alright, now let's take a closer look at the products. So this product is a portable clothes drying balloon that is lightweight, which can help you reduce the amount of clothing you pack while traveling. So this amazing invention was developed based on the designer's own experience of traveling abroad for years. So he was traveling like 100 days in a year. And then this product has gone through numerous tests and experiments over 3 years. So now we all know that washing and drying our clothes at our accommodation is essential. But what is more important is the portability and quick drying, right? Especially when we're on the go. So one of the best things about Koltukan Aeroduct DeLong is its portability. It only weighs 170 grams and it's the size of a B5 paper, which makes it extremely easy to carry with you while traveling. And then you only need a hair dryer, which you can find at any hotel, so you don't need to bring anything else. So this allows you to go on a business trip with just a carry-on baggage and without worrying about the clothes. This product is also fantastic because it can dry a variety of clothes, including dresses, shirts, underwear, socks, longer coats, and without creasing them in only just like 10 minutes, all at the same time in your hotel room. And it's useful not only when you travel, but also when you need to dry a small piece, remove stains, or dry clothes that got wet from a sudden downpour. So this product can help you minimize your luggage, and also it will reduce the burden on your body while traveling, and packing and unpacking will be easier. Also, it will reduce the total weight of the aircraft. And one more thing, this product can help you contribute to curtailing fuel load and CO2 emissions, allowing you to help achieve the Sustainable Development Goals. So when can you use this product? When there's no room in the hotel laundry, or when you have a lot of luggage and can't catch a taxi, this product will make your travels much easier. So it can significantly reduce the time more than like 5 hours compared to normal selecting and drying of clothes. And it also cuts down the electricity costs compared to using a washing machine or laundromat. And you can use it at home or on your travels. So Koltukan Aeroduct DeLong by Marvin Trading is a perfect product for anyone who travels often and wants to make laundry hassle-free. And if you want to lighten your luggage and travel more efficiently, be sure to check out Marvin Trading's website and give it a try. Alright, now let's see how it works. First, get the included band and then try to find a hair dryer. If you're on a business trip, I'm sure your hotel room will have a hair dryer. And now let's attach this near the end of the nozzle, like this. Alright, now let's get the nozzle. Okay, now let's put this inside of the bag. And now let's close it. And let's turn it on. See? So usually it will take around like 10 minutes to dry your clothes, but also you can dry mini clothes at the same time. For example, socks. Just put them inside of the bag, hang it, and dry them together. And of course, not just your socks or shirts, but you can also use it for your dresses, for your long skirts. So this is the extended version. Just put the skirt inside. And then hang it like this. And you will need a hair dryer again. And here we are.